And here is Algatec. This is the easiest way to eliminate green, yellow, and black algae. And as you can see, I've got a little bit of green in my pool and just getting it started, and got my chemicals and chemistry all good to go, but I'm still having a little issue with the green. So I'm going to add almost all of this. Chart on the side for summer treatment as well as winter. But if you have moderate, minimal, moderate, or heavy, if you do heavy, you got to do at least 64 ounces, 24 to 60, or 48 to 64 ounces. So you want to use a strip like this, Algatec 7, to make sure that your chemistry is balanced and your chlorine and your free chlorine is good to go before we pour this in. So all we're going to do is pour this in, and we'll let it work overnight with the pump on, and then we'll check it in the morning. Test this, and you can see that my chlorine and free chlorine is good to go. I'm just going to pour this in. We're going to do 16 ounces at a time, and it is super blue. You can see it going in. And one more time. There we go. So there we go. It's nighttime right now. We will check it in the morning and see how it does. Okay, so I actually ended up using this whole bottle, and this is where we're at. We are actually a day later, so made sure that your pH level, and made sure my pH level and the chlorine levels were where they should be. I just actually added some soda ash to up the pH, but ended up using this whole bottle. But I think it really works good. It gets rid of that green algae, and it's probably going to help with it last a while. So anyway, this is what the pool looks like. It's almost there. It's getting there. Just maybe a few more days, but otherwise, yeah, Algatec really worked easy. If you're looking for something to get rid of your green algae and kind of knock it out really quick, this is the one for you. Can highly recommend. Definitely pick up a bottle of this.